Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Are you using Tally Prime and want to protect your business data? In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Tally Vault password in Tally Prime Release 6.0, a powerful way to encrypt and secure your company data. Let's get started. Tally Vault password is an encryption feature in Tally Prime. When you enable it, your company's data is stored in an unreadable format. That means even if someone copies your data, they won't be able to open it without your vault password. It's ideal for protecting confidential business records. Best practices use a strong and memorable vault password. Take regular backups of your company data. Don't share your password with unauthorized users. Use user roles and access control for extra safety. Open Tally Prime and click Create Company. You'll see the option, Use Tally Vault Password. Select Yes. Enter your vault password and save with Ctrl+A. What's the difference between a vault password and a company password? Vault password encrypts the entire data file. Company password simply controls user login access. We recommend using both for complete security. To open your vault protected company, go to Select Company. Enter the Tally Vault password. Important: if you forget this password, you can't recover your data. So always store it securely.
Friends, if you liked this video, do like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.